Welcome, Charlotte homeowners. As local roofing experts serving the Charlotte area, Matthews Roofing Company understands that your roof is critical for protecting your home. Our experienced roofers know that even a well-built roof shows over time, and Charlotte residents like you need to watch for key warning signs. As contractors specializing in roofing services throughout Charlotte, North Carolina, we've helped countless Charlotte businesses identify these 7 crucial indicators of whether or not your roof is failing. Our Charlotte team of professionals in Matthews, North Carolina, wants to share this essential information with you. First, consider your roof's age. If you're seeking roofing in Charlotte, North Carolina, know that asphalt shingles typically last 20 to 25 years. While commercial roofing materials like metal may last longer, age remains crucial for Charlotte area repairs. You should watch for curling shingles. As general contractors with expertise in residential roofing, we often see how damaged roofs can lead to bigger problems. Our roofing company in Charlotte specializes in identifying these early warning signs. Third, our Charlotte roofers recommend checking your gutters for granules. The commercial roofing services team at Matthews Roofing Company knows this often indicates you need a new roof replacement. As exceptional roofing specialists, we provide thorough inspections for your roofing needs. Fourth, our siding contractors suggest examining your attic. The construction services experts at our Charlotte-based firm can spot compromised decking that might require full-scale roof replacement. We're not just siding contractors. We're comprehensive contractors who understand how roofing impacts your home. Watch for sagging. As flat roofing contractors and metal roofing contractors, we know structural issues demand immediate attention. Our commercial buildings experts help identify when you need high-quality roofing repairs. Sixth, our local roofing needs specialists check for water damage, and we also do a thorough inspection for leaks. Whether you need roof repairs or siding work, we've got you covered. Finally, look for moss growth. The humid Charlotte, North Carolina climate can affect your new Matthews roof, making regular maintenance crucial. So trust our roofing service to protect your investment. Don't wait for immediate roof storm damage. Call Matthews Roofing Company today. We provide free comprehensive roof inspections and estimates. Protect your home with Charlotte's most trusted general contractor in the roofing business. Call us today at 704-420-6865 for a free roof estimate and storm damage assessment.